Wow, ang galing ni Sander. Oh, dahil nami-miss daw niya ang pepper lunch. Gumawa siya ng kanyang sariling pepper lunch. Wow.
Tapos it's not just ordinary pepper lunch, it's steak.
It's steak pepper lunch.
Lukpang.
You have to plate it. Wow, galing ni Sander, oh. Oh, making his own food. Ah, you put onions pa?
Oo. Para fancy.
Ang galing, ah.
Very good.
And then, meron din siyang ginawang sauce, yung kanyang pepper lunch sauce. DIY pepper lunch sauce. Wow, ang galing mo naman. Do you use the honey?
No.
No?
No.
You should have used your honey. Kasi honey yung gamit ko ngayon.
Yung 1 tablespoon, baka maubos lahat.
Wow. Wow! Ayan na yung steak pepper lunch ni Sander. Taray, marunong siyang gumawa. Pochari, inggit ka
Masarap yan. Yung
sa steak
rice
pepper
salad.
lunch ni Sander. Wow. Oh, pepper lunch daw niya yan eh. Gawa niya. Pepper lunch rice.